Now I'm going to show you how you can use the yoga wheel to do a headstand. So let's come into this. Now we're going to keep the wheel behind us. Let's bring the palms down. So this is tripod headstand. So start by bringing the crown of the head down onto the mat. Now palms are down. Spread the fingers, hug the elbows into the body. Make sure that you can just about see the tips of the fingers by the sides of the eyes. Now, of course, you can use the wall at this point, so feel free to do this pose with the wall behind you. Now, let's start by tucking the toes, lifting the knees up. And when you're ready, we're going to place one foot onto the wheel as we roll the wheel away. Take your time here, find the balance. Pressing into the palms, lift the other foot onto the wheel. Now at this point, we can bend the knees. So coming into a bit of a crunch here, and we're bending the knees to stack the hips. So just keep walking the wheel towards you as far as you can. Now maybe stay here. Option 2, you can lift the feet off the mat. And maybe stay here, or perhaps lifting the legs all the way up, coming into your full headstand. And to come down, don't worry about where the wheel is, just bend the knees and slowly coming down. If you can come onto the wheel, that's fine. If you don't, that's also fine. And let's slowly come up, arriving in Thunderbolt pose.